Come on, kid, you got it.
Look back to the ball, okay? These are going to be hard, so just try and think about getting through, getting it done as fast as you can, and then I'll let you get more water. Today's going to be really hard, okay? So go ahead and squat. Squat, and then you're going to pop up, and then squat back to the ball, okay? So you're just going to go here, drop, up, okay? Not a kid. Just do throwing. Alright, there you go. It's okay, you can use your hand. Now pop into your throwing position. There you go. Oh my gosh. Ready? Pull yourself up.
Oh, good one.
Nice job. Good throwing position. Alright. Gosh. It's gonna be hard, I'm telling you. You got 4 more.
Come on, kiddo.
Pop up. There you go. Throwing position. Alright, come on. 3 more. 3 more. That's okay. I know your legs are probably burning right now. So, there you go. So now we're going to go this way. There you go.
Your legs tired, baby?
Outside pitch, where should your glove be? Yeah. So every time you see that, fix it. Okay? That's okay. I know your legs are tired, but little things like that are going to make a big difference, okay? Got it, kid. Alright, last one. Nice. And this dirt is hard to move in, so we're just going to try and move as quick as you can, okay? Don't throw it back to me, I don't have to.
Come on, kid.
Keep that glove behind your hand. Keep that hand behind your glove. Keep this up quick. You got 5 more, alright? Go as quick as you can.
Come on, kiddo. You got this. Kick hard. Come on, baby.
Got it, kid. Last one, come on. Pop up, pop up.
That a girl.
Got it, kid. See how you have to wait? You're quick enough. I know your legs are tired, but really think about kicking. Like this is like the 6th stamina day. When you're really tired, your legs are dead. Okay, you gotta push through it. Okay, kick those legs back because you're not letting anything by you. Okay. Atta girl. Ready? Atta kid. Nice. Last point up. That is a big deal, but you can't get mad at yourself for that because, I mean, you can't control where if it bounces over you or not, okay? Like that. It's really good. Nice. Yeah, make sure that the hands are even. Yeah, one more. Make sure you really kick your feet back on this one. Atta girl.
Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater.
Ready, set, go. You got the squat, cheater.
Come on, kid. Squat back there, squat back there. Now to 3.
You're faster than me.
Come on, kid. Come on. Get back there and squat. Squat. Get to 4. Don't cheat. You're only cheating yourself. Come on, 4 mag, 4 mag.
Holy crap, this is hard.
Come on, 3, 4. Let's go. Hustle, hustle. Get back there and squat.
Alright, we're only going to 5.
Oh, you're going to 6, coach. Squat. No, squat. Come on, you're only cheating yourself, boo.
It's so hard.
Come on. Okay, come on. To 5. Ariel's making up ground. You were having her beat. Let's go. 1. Come on, you got this. Use your hands if you have to. Just keep going. 2, 3. You can block without your hands, though. 4.
I did 5.
Oh, okay, I'm going to take your word on that. I have it on video. We're going to see.
Oh my god.
Squat to 6. Come on. She has 6. She has 6 balls out. Let's go, kid. You got it. Remember, look past the 6th ball. You're almost there. Come on, beat her. Beat her. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get the right 6. Go, 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 go. You got to get back there and squat.